welcome to my closet. My closet is a mess. And that is surprising for me because actually, you guys, I'm not a messy person. I'm actually quite a very neat and clean person. I don't like a lot of clutter. I don't like a lot of things around me. I'm not a minimalist, I wouldn't say that, but I'm not a cluttered person and I'm not a messy person. But this closet has gotten out of hand. It's driving my anxiety to the next level. Next level. So I was going to clean it, but I thought I should record the process and show you guys because I'm trying to get more content out because I have not been producing content, and I promised that I was going to show you more of the behind the scenes of my life. Hold on, you guys, I'm sitting on my hair. Okay. Long locks, you sit on your hair all the time. I was literally sitting on my hair. So, what was I saying? Showing you guys the process of more of the things that I do. So right now I'm about to clean my closet. This is actually, it's my closet, but when we were, why can't I talk? When we were purchasing the house, this is listed as a sunroom. So it's the sunroom in the back of my house. I didn't have any other use for this room, so I always wanted a walk-in closet beauty room, and that's what I did. So it's my beauty room, my closet, it has my clothes, my makeup, it has a day bed. It's just my personal space where I have all my personal feminine beauty closet. You get what I'm trying to say. You get what I'm trying to say. I absolutely love this space. I love the light that it gives. And the great thing about it is my office is right behind me. So it connects to my office. And if you guys don't know, I run an Etsy business. It's called Nardia K Kreations, where I sell stickers and stationery for abundance and manifestation, things like that. Let me show you around and show you the mess, and then we're gonna get to cleaning and just make the space more inviting so that I can do what I like to do in here, which is relax, get ready, manifest, journal, create my abundant life. And this is where I manifest a lot of things. I burn my sage, I have my crystals. This is the space that means so much to me for my connection to the spirit, my spiritual side. And it's a mess, and that's embarrassing. My spiritual side, my spiritual room should not look like this. It's my beauty room. It's where I connect to my femininity. It's where I get dressed. It's just a very important space to me, and it should not be like this. Let's take a look. Let me show you the disaster. As you can see, there are windows all around. So it's always natural light in here, and when the sun rises, it gets really bright. Let me show you the mess. First of all this on the floor drives me crazy. But to be honest, to be fair to myself, this wasn't always here. Last week, all of this was brown. All of this was all brown. And I decided to paint the trim white, around the door white. I painted the door white as well because I recently painted my office. I will have that video linked if you guys want to see it. I just redid my office and painted it. So I painted everything else white as well, the trim, and I painted this window frame white. And I plan on painting the rest of this brown another color. I don't know what color yet. So all of this stuff was actually here. I don't want you guys to think I just throw my things around. I don't. But it was here on a shoe shelf. I got rid of the shoe shelf. I put it somewhere else in my house. But now I have to find a place for all of this. This is my other actual shoe shelf. I need to go through it, organize it, get rid of shoes that I don't need. There's dust. You guys can see that I need to dust all these shoes off and things like that. I have just dust everywhere. I have my jewelry organizers. They're just all over the place. Everything is just thrown down and it's driving me crazy. This is my vanity where I put on my makeup and all of that stuff. It needs to be dusted, cleaned. You guys will see, like, I have, look at that, when I shave my pencil and all that, organized in there. My daybed has clothes all over it. Shouldn't be like that. My pocketbooks, they have a place. For me, everything has to have a place. And right now, it doesn't look like it. And my closet area itself, this closet unit I got on Amazon. I can link it below if you guys want. But I just need to organize it a little bit better. It looks pretty good, but I just want to, like, dust around here. You guys can't see, but it's dusty. The shelves are dusty, and I just want to dust it and fold my shirts better and organize. So walking in, this is what you see. Shoe rack, vanity, day bed. You pan around my closet area or my clothes. Come to this side. Have my mirror. Hey, how you doing? You have a fireplace heater because it gets cold in here sometimes. Door. And then around back to my office. So let's start working. I still don't know what color to paint here yet. But when I do, I'll let you guys know. Let's get cleaning.
Dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why you going nowhere special? Just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could pull out all the little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen it like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams, 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 living in my dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could laugh of a little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams, 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 living in my dreams.
Just taking a quick break, you guys. I think I'm going to move these to another part of my house. This is my Buddha head statue. And just this crystal crown thing. I don't have a need for them here. Maybe in my bedroom upstairs and maybe somewhere else in my house. Maybe somewhere else in this beauty room. Maybe on that thing once I get to it and clean that off. But yeah, they're not going back up here. These are going to be put somewhere else. I brought this back. I washed it in my kitchen sink. There was absolutely no way I was going to get all that black pencil eyeliner out over here without making a mess. So I washed it in my kitchen sink. I forgot where I got this tray from. Maybe Amazon? I'm going to try to link as many things as I can in the description bar. Things that are in the beauty room. Like my chairs and stuff from Amazon. This mirror. Hopefully I remember. But if you guys have a question about where I got something, just ask. Just ask. But yeah, I washed this in the sink. Now we're just drying it to put it back. I think we're almost done. We just have to tackle the big shoe shelf over there. Vacuum this chair at some point. And then mop the floors. And then put everything back that I took out and put in my office. And whatever I'm not putting back in here, find somewhere else to put it. And we should be done. So far I've been doing this for like an hour and a half now. Almost 2 hours. So hopefully. No, I saw like what's that? No, it's been 2 hours. It's been 2 hours, you guys. But I have been taking breaks. So if you are cleaning with me and you're cleaning also, just know that even though you see it done on YouTube in these videos, it's not done in one day. It's not. We take breaks. I mean, not done in one day. It's not done one shot. We take breaks. Eat something and do different things. I'm finally up to my shoe rack, shoe storage area. I got this from Amazon. You can use it for many different things, not only for shoes, but whatever you want to store. I will link it below for you guys as well. But I feel like this is the part that has me the most anxious. Like, I don't even want to, it doesn't seem like a lot, but it's a lot. But I know I don't want everything here. I want it to be as clear as possible. Especially all these jewelry and stuff. A lot of them I don't wear anymore. Look, so I have to organize them. I don't know if I'm going to organize them in this video. Maybe not this video. I'm just going to focus on cleaning. Because if I clean and then try to organize this, I might get overwhelmed, to be honest. So let me clean first. And then if I have time, or if I feel good, organize after. But let me just clean first.
Here I find myself again, time traveling only in my head. From the past to future play, or change, yeah. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity to choose perfect peace, and I'll forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the current start to share, I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. It's safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. The balance between problem solving and the universe working itself out. All that I have is all that I need. But to actualize it, I can't doubt, no doubt. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity. I choose peace, and I'll forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the current start to share, I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. It's safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. I honor God when I honor me. I honor God when I honor you. You honor God when you honor me. If you don't honor God, how could you honor me? Honor me. Here I find myself again, time traveling only in my head. From the past to future play, or change, yeah. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered.
Ooh, guys. Ooh. Hot, sweating. My son is running down the stairs as he usually does. I had to take a break and drink some water. I think we're at the final step now where I mop, just Swiffer to mop the place. I still have a whole bunch of things that I took out of this room that is now in my office that either I have to bring back and put under the bed, but I want to mop underneath there first, or some things just not going to come back because I'm going to donate it to Goodwill, or sell it at a garage sale, or put it somewhere else in my house. Weekend there. If you're cleaning along with me, whatever you're doing, don't forget to hydrate. Drink your water. It's essential. Water. That's good. Okay, let's get back to cleaning.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules.